Good morning students. Chapter number 3, playing with numbers. Previous class we discussed about the some topics, factors, common factors, prime factorization. Today we discuss about the HCF. HCF means highest common factors. First of all, common factor. If two or more number have the same numbers as their factors, those factors are called common factor. Means 15 and 25. Factor of 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Factor of 25, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Common factor between 15 and 25. 15 and 25 equal 1 and 5. Factor of 15 equal 3, 1, 3 and 5. Factor of 25, 1, 5 and 5. So, common factor between 15 and 25, 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Okay. Next is the highest common factor. The highest common factor of two or more given numbers is the highest, means greatest of their common factor. It is also known as the greatest common factor. Means one example is 20, 28 and 36. 20, 28 and 36. Factor of 20, 5 1s are 5. Factor of 28, 36, 3 3s are 9. Okay. The common factor of 20, 28 and 36. Factor of 20 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. Factor of 28 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 7. Factor of 36 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Okay. So, the common factor of the common factor of 20, 28 and 36 is common factor of 2. Common factor is 2 and 2. So, the common factor of 20, 28 and 36 is 2 occurring twice time. Thus, HCF of 20, 28 and 36 is 2 multiplied by 2 equal 4. HCF is 4. Okay. One more example is exercise 3.6. Question number first. Find the HCF of following numbers 18 and 48. 18 and 48. So, factor of 18, 2 9s are 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Factor of 48, 2 6s are and 2 3s are 3 1s are 3. common factor of 18 equal, first of all, 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Factor of 48 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Common factor of 18 and 48, 2 and 3. So the HCF of 18 and 48 is 2 multiply 3. 2 3s are 6. HCF is 6. One more example is question number second is 30 and 42. Factor of 30, 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Factor of 42, 21. 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7 1s are 7. Factor of 30 equals to 2 multiply 3 multiply by 5. Factor of 42 equal 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 7. Common factor is between 30 and 42, 2 and 3. So HCF is 2 multiply by 3 equal 6. 34 and 102. 34 and 102. Factor of 34 equal 2. 2 1s are 2 and 17. 17 1s are 17. Factor of 102, 51 and next again 3. 3 1s are 3 and 7s are 17. 2 multiply by 17, 102 equal 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 17. Common factor 2 and 17. Common factor of 34 and 102 is 2 and 17. So HCF is 2 multiply by 17 equal 34. Okay. Next question is question number G part 70, 105 and 175. First of all, factor of 17, 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. Factor of 105, 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 5 7s are and 7 1s are 7. Next, factor of 175, 175, 5 5s are 5 5s are 5 3s are 15 and 5 7s are 7 1s are 7. Factor of 70 equal 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 7. Factor of 105 equal 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 7. Factor of 175 equal 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 7. Common factor is 7 and 5. So highest common factor is HCF is 5 multiply by 7 equal 35. Okay. Next question is what is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? Question number second is what is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? Means two consecutive numbers is 14 and 15. Factor of 14, 2 multiply by 7. Factor of 15, 3 multiply by 5. No common factor. So the HCF of two consecutive numbers numbers is always 1. Next question is, what is the HCF of two consecutive even numbers? Even number is like 6 and 8. Factor of 6, 2 multiplied by 3. Factor of 8, 2 multiplied by 4. Again 2 multiplied by 2. So factor of even number is always 2. Next, odd number. Find the HCF of two consecutive odd number. Odd number is like 3 and 5. Prime number, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So two consecutive odd numbers. So the HCF of two consecutive odd number is 1. Clear? Question number 3 is, HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by fractionalization. 4 equals to 2 multiply 2 and 15 equals to 3 multiply 5. Since there is no common prime factors, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer is correct. हमें बताना है 4. Question number 3 is 4 and 15. 4 and 15. Factor of 4 and factor of 15. 3 5s are and 5 1s are 5. There are no common factor of 4 and 15. So common HCF of 4 and 15 is 1. No, the answer is incorrect. Okay, next we will discuss about the exercise 3.7.